If you're looking kinda hot and your hair is not, gotta Ronsay TV. If you wanna be on fleek but your hair isn't neat, gotta Ronsay TV. Ronsay TV. Lifestyle, clothing, hair and more. Ronsay TV.
Hi guys, welcome. Alright guys, today you're gonna see me install this wig. I know you all be waiting for videos like this. If you're someone that love to wear your wigs in a very quick, that someone that don't want to spend so much time in installing their wigs and just quick and go, I think this is the perfect video for you. And I think this is the perfect way for the perfect weather right now. We're having summer. Guess what? You don't even know that this is a wig. It looks like my actual hair. You don't have to do too much, This is just a simple and an easy way to install a braided wig and go out. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And so let's go straight to this video. We are going to install this braided wig here. So as you can see today, I'm sitting almost like a mole-headed woman. First of all, show you the wig that I'm about to install. I did contour brace a little bit in the section and the rest is just box brace. If you guys want to see how I did this braid, this wig here, this unit, I'm going to link that in the description box below so you can watch that later after this video. Okay, so today I am going to install this braided wig. This is what it looks like. Okay, it's half braided, like a little braids in the front here, and the rest is box brace. So here you can see the wig from the inside. There's a closure on, and of course while braiding this hair I leave a little baby hair in the front that I'm gonna be styling later on in this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end. And first I'm gonna use this to secure the wig, and I'm gonna sew that, and this is how I did sew it, one on the left and one on the right. So I'm going to use the scissors and I'm going to cut off this bit here. Okay, so what I do, I could actually do that on my head, but I prefer to cut it off before. With the scissors, I am not chopping the hair, I'm not cutting the hair straight. What I did to get this baby hairs in the back is just put my hand in water and then pull the hair backwards so that the hair can stay in the back while I will cut the hair in pieces. I'm gonna use a little foundation on the lace. So now I'm gonna put on the wig and make sure I place it right, and then I am going to use the same scissors and just go over the baby hairs because I think they're a little long. I think they're long for me. I wanted to just get them a little shorter. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the baby hair a little bit, and then I'm gonna use this edge brush, and I'm gonna also use the Vela Flex mousse for the styling. I'm gonna just take the brush and just comb the hair a little bit, and gonna shake the mousse very well and start to apply it little by little on the baby hairs. Just gonna go through with the brush and just gonna try to place the hair. I'm going to take just a head wrap. I'm going to use that and tie around my baby hairs. But first, let's add a little mousse on this braids.